So we're down here in Balham in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're doing on this project is removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of that has been removed, I think there's going to be a lot of bricks to replace on here. All of the paint over the years has stopped all of the solid wood from breathing properly. As you can see, all the bricks are now deteriorating underneath. So it's massively important that you never cover your solid wall foundation with paint or pebble dash, because this is a result of what will happen. All the bricks are just like dust now, so there's going to be a lot of bricks to replace once we strip all of that paint off. Window sills are all going to need restoring. They're in bad condition. As you can see underneath, all the York stone, that's all deteriorated all the way through. So I'll be squaring up and repainting all of the window sills here. I think we're doing all of the stonework on this as well. On the upstairs, same sort of thing. Big job this one. Lads are just getting all the windows and stuff sheeted up now. All the egg and dart moulded bricks, we get all of the paint off that with all of the doff machine. Make good to all of these bases on these columns, get all these profiles nice and square, sharpen everything up on this. Not touching the windows. I think the customer is planning to have new windows put in, so we'll leave the windows here. Might have an original bit I think we might find the original tuck pointing underneath here, looks to me. We've got the original tuck there, so we're going to do some samples for the customer once it's all been cleaned and repaired anyway, and see what they would like to go for pointing wise. We've got the same sort of thing upstairs again. All this moulded brickwork, we'll get all of the paint off of that. All of the paint on here will be removed all the way through. Yeah, so we'll show you some progress in the next week or so once the lads start removing all of this paint. See how many bricks we've got to replace, see what condition we're working with, get them samples on the wall for the customer. And it's going to be a massive transformation. This one, customer's really excited to get the work underway. Recently bought the house last year, so this is on their to-do list to get the front of the house looking as good as possible. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Balham on our brick restoration project we're currently working on. So just a little update video of how we're getting on. So what we've done on this project is removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of the paint was removed, we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We've cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'll just give you a little walk around and show you how it's all looking. So all of the penny roll pointing is all being done all the way through here. We're going to replace all of the egg and dart moulded bricks underneath this window sill here all the way through, as they're all rotten, so they're being handmade as we speak. So hopefully get them in next week. Stripped all of the paint off all of the stonework on the window sills. That was in real bad condition. Done a few stone repairs on the base of the column now. Upstairs we've done some more repairs to the capitals where a few little details were broken off. So a few little repairs on the capitals there, all looking nice and sharp now, ready for painting. All of the detailed work on the top, all looking really good. Lads are doing a really good job, looks amazing. Customers are so happy with how everything's coming along. What we're looking at doing now is burning all this old paint off all of the stonework. As you can see, the old paint that we've got on here has a really horrible rough and bubbly surface, so it won't look too good just rubbing down and going over the top of that. So we're looking at burning all of the paint off. Done a few samples yesterday, a lot of crack and fracturing going through the stone underneath the paint. So like I say, burn all that paint off, square everything up, and then make good to all of the stonework. Just put some more scaffolding around this side of the house now. Customer wants us to do some extra work around the side of the house. Also got a painter looking at doing all of the woodwork on all of the windows. They're in quite bad condition, so customers looking at replacing them in a year or so's time. They just bought the house last year, so doing quite a lot of work inside, so looking at replacing them in due course. So do all the puttying all around the windows where they need to, rub them all down. Any woodwork to be done, we get all that done for them. Also looking at new gutter in here as well, the new downpipe and stuff coming all the way down. That's the guttering's leaking on here as well, so we'll get the roofer to come out and have a little look at that. But as you can see, the quality of the pointing is always first class. So downstairs, what we've done some more work downstairs as well. I'll show you downstairs. We've actually restored this window sill here as well. So restored that sill, that'll all be filled, rubbed down and painted. Burnt all of the paint off of this window sill, so we'll fill all of that, restore everything, make that perfect before decoration. Downstairs, we've restored both bay window sills. So I'll give you a little close up of that. That was all rotten, the old Yorkstone sills were completely deteriorated. So we've restored all of the window sills, all lovely and sharp, all perfect underneath. One of the lads has just nicked a little bit of that where it's been repaired, so we'll fill all that once we come to do all of the filling. Same sort of thing on this window sill, all restored, lovely and sharp all the way through, ready for filling and decoration. And yeah, just carrying on with the pointing, getting this finished. All the work, lads are doing all the work above the front door as well today, filling all the collars around the door frame. A few more little repairs to do on the stonework in places, but we can pick all of that up when we do the decoration. But so far so good, lads have done an amazing job. Can't tell you how happy the customers are with how this looks. The transformation's unbelievable. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.